So for today's comparison, we have the Samsung A33 versus the Samsung A32, both 5G. Let's begin. And the A23 should be a good upgrade. You're getting a 120Hz refresh rate, plus a bigger screen. The A23 has a better screen overall, now for hardware. Again, the A23 is coming with a better performance, a faster chipset, and a faster fast charging really. I'm going with the A23 now for the camera. Well, if you're a photo person, I would advise to stick with the A32 because it has a better camera. Storage. Well, they both have different variant, same size for the storage. Now for design. Well, they both have a similar design, but the A23 comes with more updated features. Now for the results. Well, the A32 is older, so it's going to be cheaper. The A32 has a better camera. Both have the same storage, but when you go to the A23, it has a better screen, better performance, and a better design. Comment below which video you want me to do next. See you in the next video, guys.